Introduction. In 2024, customization features on various platforms will continue to evolve, allowing users to personalize their experience. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive, step-by-step approach for beginners to understand and utilize customization features on different platforms. Step 1. Identify the platform. Determine which platform you wish to customize. This could be social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, or other platforms like email services, gaming platforms, or even productivity tools. Step 2. Research available customization options. Once you've identified the platform, spend some time researching the available customization options. You can do this by browsing the platform's help center, searching for tutorials online, or even asking for advice from more experienced users. Step 3. Set your customization goals. Before diving into customization, set specific goals for what you want to achieve. This could include changing the interface, creating a unique theme, or organizing content in a specific manner. Having clear goals will help you focus on the most relevant customization options. Step 4. Access customization settings. Navigate to the platform's customization settings. These settings are usually found within the Account or Profile Settings menu. Look for options like Customize, Settings, or Appearance. Step 5. Explore customization options. Once you've accessed the customization settings, explore the available options. These may include changing colors, fonts, layouts, or even adding personalized elements like photos or videos. Take your time to understand each option and its potential impact on your experience. Step 6. Make changes. With a clear understanding of the customization options, start making changes according to your goals. Remember to save your progress after each modification to avoid losing your work. Step 7. Test your customization. After making changes, test your customized platform to ensure everything works as expected. Check if the interface is user-friendly and all features are accessible. If you encounter any issues, revert to the previous settings or seek help from the platform's support resources. Step 8. Continuously refine your customization. Customization is an ongoing process. As you become more familiar with the platform and your needs evolve, you may want to refine your customization. Regularly review your settings and make adjustments as necessary. Step 9. Share your knowledge. Once you've successfully customized your platform, consider sharing your experience and knowledge with others. This could be through blog posts, social media, or even offering assistance to friends and family. Sharing your knowledge can help others enhance their experience on the platform as well. Conclusion: customization on platforms in 2024 offers a wealth of opportunities for beginners to personalize their experience. By following this step-by-step guide, you can confidently explore and utilize customization features to make your digital journey more enjoyable and efficient.